Hey YouTube, it's Jason here. I want to show you guys a trick and hopefully you guys like it. I'm going to show you that all the cards are different. And here I go, I start the trick. I'm going to ask my assistant here, Ben, to pick a card. Okay, show it to the camera. Okay, I'm going to take 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. Put your card face down on top of the pile. Okay, gonna put the whole deck on top. Okay, I'm gonna ask you, is this your card?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yep.
100%?
Yep.
Okay, we're good to go. Is this your card?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yep.
100%?
Yep.
Okay. Is this your card?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yep.
100%?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this your card?
Nope.
You sure?
Yep.
100%?
Yep.
Okay, whatever. I'm not using this deck for the rest of the trick.
Okay.
Okay, so now we have 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. Just in case you didn't see it, I'm gonna show you all the cards again. Is this your card?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yep.
100%?
Yep.
Okay. Is this your card?
Nope.
Okay. One of these 2?
Nope.
Okay. Now I'm gonna ask you to make a fist. Make a fist. And watch this. Is that your card?
Holy shit.
Oh yeah, well, for my next trick. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, my hat disappeared.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. Okay, thanks. If I get over 50 subscribers, I'll show you guys how to do it.